Hey, everybody, this is MostPlus. Today, we're going to show you guys the installation on our soft roll-up tonneau cover that's on a Toyota Tundra. Before we begin, check to make sure that all the parts and hardware are accounted for. If the front bed rail of your pickup is noticeably lower than the side rails, fill the gap by installing the provided weather seal strips to prevent water from leaking in. Now, take the main cover assembly and place it on the cab side bed rail. After that, take the side rails and slide the ends into the bulkheads. Tighten the screws at the bulkhead. Also, make sure the side rails are lined up with the inner edge of the bed rails. Next, we will be attaching the side rails to the bed railing with these clamps. And slide the bottom piece into the utility track. And spread them out evenly. As we attach the top half of the clamp, make sure that the jaws of the top piece are hooked all the way into the inner channel of the side rails. Go ahead and tighten the clamps, but don't over-tighten the clamps, because you could cause the side rails to collapse and warp the cover itself. Next, unhook the safety straps and roll out the cover along the Velcro tape on the side rails. Keep adjusting the tarp to make sure that the cover is fully stretched out along the rails. Now, try engaging the locking mechanism. If your cover is installed correctly, the latch head should be horizontally in the groove of the tension plate. Carefully release the tension plate with the cable to see if everything is working. Finally, if the latch head can't reach the tension plate or doesn't stay latched, try adjusting the tension plate offset along the rail by loosening these screws. You can install MostPlus roll-up cover in less than 20 minutes. When you need the utility of a premium soft roll-up truck bed cover without the premium price tag, MostPlus has you covered. Our most affordable soft roll-up truck bed cover protects your cargo from the worst Mother Nature has to offer. The MostPlus is there when you need it, and out of the way when you don't. When you need full access to your truck bed, it rolls up and stores at the front. Its UV-resistant leather grain vinyl looks great on any truck. Its tight front and tailgate seals keep the elements and weather out. Everything from dust and dirt to rain and snow. To protect your cargo, release the safety straps. Unroll the cover. And slam it closed to latch it. The preset tension control keeps the cover smooth and flat for a low-profile look. Roll-up bed cover keeps their belongings secure. When you need to use your truck bed fully, cover it to the front and secure it with the safety straps. Every time you use MostPlus roll-up cover, you can rest in the fact that we put all our covers to the test to make sure they're tough enough to fit. At MostPlus, we believe you shouldn't have to choose between great functionality and great value. With MostPlus roll-up cover, you can finally have both. MostPlus cover your truck, make your life easy.